Hi guys, welcome back to my channel, and if you're new, welcome to the channel. My name is Mandy. We do unboxings mostly on this channel, but we also do a couple other things as well, and I'm starting to branch out. So anyway, welcome. Today, I think we are doing my last Birchbox unboxing. I did get accepted to the Fashion Style box yesterday when it opened up. So I'm pretty sure that I'm going to be dropping this box, probably 100% sure that I'm going to drop this box. Let's say 99%, but most likely I will drop this box. And this is probably going to be the last one. Maybe one more after this. I guess it depends on when I do the cancellation or whatever. Birchbox, I don't know, they upped their money. It's now $13 for people that were subscribed and $15 for new. They said they were going to do new things. They did not. I mean, other than letting you pick curated boxes or pick a product. And I think they added one more sample. To me, I think it just makes better sense to get the other box for $20 than this box for the current $13 that I'm paying. This is Customer Appreciation Month, so I'm kind of happy that this happened on this month, where I'm going to be able to at least get through this box and see what's in this box. But if you guys are interested in Birchbox, $15 a month. It comes with, I think, 6, we'll say 5 to 6 sample, sometimes deluxe sizes, very, very, very few full size. And they always put something neat on your thing. This one says the Dynamic Mandy Miller. It's always something different. So it says celebration, CAD, Customer Appreciation Day, celebrating you since 2010. And that is what the box looks like. And then you have to take these little things off that never come off right. Again, never come off right. And get into the box. I'm excited. So I'm super, super excited for the Fashion Style box. I tried so hard to get into it last month, and I guess they had like computer problems and there was some miscommunication or something, but I got in this month, thank goodness. This is what it looks like when you open it up. So super excited for that. And don't forget, guys, I'm doing the giveaway. I need to make it to the 200 subscribers by the 30th so that I can do the giveaway and send it out. So please don't forget to subscribe if you have not already for the giveaway. All right, so this month it came with a bag, which it never comes with bags, and it says all the things. Very, I don't know if I like the bag. To me, I don't know, maybe I'm being biased. I don't even want to say this, but it feels cheap. It's not like an Ipsy bag for sure. It's bigger than a little Ipsy $10 bag, but I don't know. I could be being biased. Anyway, so there's the bag. And then we're going to open the box. And this is what is in the box. We have one. We have another thing. And we have pink paper. We have one more thing. And then we have our products. So let's see what the papers are all about before I go any farther. So this is a free gift every time you shop. Just for subscribers, free travel size Sunday Riley, good jeans. I don't know what this is about. Enter code and promo at checkout. So you have to do this when you buy something. So there is that, and that's the code if you guys are interested in that. So they sent us stickers, which again, they've never sent stickers. Kind of cute. Definitely will use this in like my little journal, calendar, you know, things that I have for my channel. So that's kind of cute. And then our card. So the card says, join the party, CAD, Customer Appreciation Day, 9/18. And that's funny because my son's birthday is the day after that. September marks our 9th anniversary, and it's our chance to celebrate the people who've made us what we are, and you, underlined exclamation point. We have an entire month filled with all the things from new product launches to crazy good deals and surprise giveaways. This month is all about you. So there is that. And on the back, it tells you what we got in our box and full-size prices. So let's go ahead. I'm kind of excited. So I'll pull the first biggest thing out. And this is R&Co Rodeo Star Thickening Style Foam. I've had this product, not this product, but this company before, and I do like their company and I like their products. let's see what it says. Actually, let me, instead of looking down, I'll bring the card up here and read it. So this says it is a first time sampling. That has a little box written next to it. Rodeo Star Thickening Style Foam, full size is $32. Add instant volume and lift to hair with this non-sticky hair foam. Apply 1 to 2 pumps to towel dried hair section by section, then blow dry. So there's that. I mean, not bad. All right, so the next thing is something I've never heard of. Looks like it's just been branded is all. And it says Tipsy. And it says Lip Crush Oil, full size, $14. This sweetly scented moisturizing stain hydrates your lips while adjusting to the natural pH, imparting and just that for a just for you hue that lasts all day. I don't know. Let's see if it has a smell. It does have a little bit of a smell, so let's see if it leaves any kind of, you know, adjusting tint for, you know, while I'm doing the video. It definitely did change colors. I don't want to put it on my lips because I'm getting ready to go to Ulta and Sephora for the 21 Days of Beauty. There is a Too Faced palette that I have to have, so I don't want to put this on my lips just in case. It didn't feel very sticky, but anyway, that's why I don't want to put it on. All right, so next up is, okay, I was going to say it's something we always get, but then I read it and it says brow liner. So this is from Eiko London, which is a product we get a lot as a liner. But this says brow liner. This, and its full size is $20. This waterproof brow definer fills in sparse spots to make your eyebrows look naturally fuller. Apply light short strokes in an upward motion, moving from your inner brow outward. I don't know. Water resistant liquid brow color. So there's the tip to it. And then we'll do, I mean, is that what it's supposed to look like? That's very light, and it looks like a gloss. It looks like a brown gloss. I don't know if you can see that, but it looks like a light brown lip gloss. Okay. Don't know about this. Next up is Marcel Curling and Lengthening Mascara. A little sample size. It says it's $15 for a full size. This mascara's uniquely shaped wand is designed to hug your natural's eye curve so it can reach every lash with its curling and lengthening formula. I'm glad that I got the Fashion Stuff box. Never heard of this brand, I don't think. It's not familiar to me. It is sealed up. I'm not going to open it. I have so many mascaras. I probably will put this away for a giveaway. But yeah, I'm not going to open that. All right, so Birchbox so far, super happy that I'm getting rid of it. Next item is from Kiehls, and it is a glow formula. Where are you? All right, so it says first time sampling for this, and full size is $38. Glow Formula Skin Hydrator. Part daily moisturizer, part glow boosting elixir. This instantly hydrating cream is made with illuminating minerals that impart a soft shimmer. Wear alone or mix with foundation. I did not know that Kiehls made anything like this. It's kind of cool. Not going to open it again because it's just a cream. But okay, so that's a decent product in the box. And then the last thing is what I picked. And I picked it for a giveaway because they do, like I said in the beginning, I'm starting to sweat. They allow you one item to pick, and I pick, or you can pick curated boxes, but I picked the one item because I wanted to give this to you guys for somebody that has not tried this yet, because I received it, I think, in an Ipsy Plus box. And this is the Sunday Riley CEO Glow Vitamin C Turmeric and Face Oil. Full size is $40. Brighten and hydrate skin with this fast-absorbing oil. Golden turmeric evens tone, while evening primrose gives an all-over glow. Mix into moisturizer or use in its place. So this is a very good product. It's very tiny, but that's okay. It's a way for you guys to try it. It is very good. I like it. And actually a little bit goes a long way. So this will last you a while. So this is going to go into a future giveaway. So be sure to stay tuned for that, because I will be doing another giveaway soon after this one is finished. You know, with milestones or whatever. So to recap our probably last Birchbox, we have stickers, we have a bag that I don't really like too much, we have a mascara, brown gloss, I don't know, a lip gloss with a hue that doesn't even, I don't think it changed any color other than what it was when we first put it on, and Kiehls, and also the Sunday Riley. So the two good things out of the bag are going in giveaways for sure. So, oh, yeah, I'm sorry, I forgot about the R&Co. All right, so, excuse me, guys. What do you think about Birchbox? Do you think it's a good idea to get rid of it? Is it something that you guys have already chucked? Let me know down in the comments what you think. I'm glad I'm getting the next level box, the Fashionista box. I'm super, super excited for that. I can't wait. It will be up on my channel. As soon as I receive the box, I will record it and put it out here for you guys. Anyway, I'm starting to super, super sweat in here, so I am going to hop off. Don't forget about the giveaway, you guys. We're definitely gaining more subscribers to get to that point, so please, please, please don't forget to subscribe. Other than that, leave me a comment down below. Give me a comment, like, and subscribe, and that's it. And I will see you guys, I believe, in the Ipsy Plus probably next. Anyway, have a fantastic day, guys. Bye.